Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Okay, I had a question. So I have a GMC and my AC doesn't work. I was trying to see what you guys' prices were to get it checked out or get a recharge, because I don't know if it just needs Freon or I don't.
What kind of GMC is it?
GMC Yukon XL 2015.
2015? That's 6.134A. I can check it out for you. That's drain, evac, and refill. If it is a leak, I'd have to see where it's leaking from or see what's going on with it.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Okay, and to see
that one takes a different kind of Freon. I'm sorry?
To see what's wrong with it, that would cost as well?
If it pretty much, because on that point, what we have to do is we have to fill the system and see where it's leaking from. So we do have to use product in order to fill it, and we have to see exactly where it's leaking from. So unfortunately, we have to charge for the product.
Okay.
Yeah, I think anywhere you go, they're going to charge for a product on that one.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
For the diagnostic.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right,
and then we do come to you. Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
You have a good one.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Sometime there is a simple way on how to relieve or get a treatment for the problem. Naturally from an ebook, How to Get Rid of Health Issues, Quickly Without Medication. It's the step-by-step guide you can use right from your kitchen to reclaim your health naturally by someone who's been there. If you're tired of being told medication is your only option, this could change everything for you. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself while you sleep when you give it the right ingredient. That is available at local grocery store, or you can order them online. Visit howtogetridofhealthissues.com to get your step-by-step guide today.
Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.